stores, and they have some really great products at reasonable prices. So here I'm going to demonstrate a clipper blade sharpener plate. I've already applied my oil and my grit, and now I'm going to go in and sharpen it. See how well it's working already, and I have a few more passes to go. Like to give my customers the best, and this product really gives me the opportunity to do quality sharpening. As you can see, how it is accommodating for the hollow grind, giving me a perfect blade. Salon Affairs, look them up.